Wow, this is crazy right here. Okay, let me tell y'all what's going on right now, what it's doing. Okay, guys, got something new. Let's unbox this. Let's take it out. Got something new. This is the Oculus Quest 2 from Facebook. Let's dive deep into the metaverse. Now, this is pretty easy to open. You don't necessarily need scissors. I saw a pull tab somewhere. Where did I see this pull tab? I was on the phone today with a friend that lives in LA, and he's really big about VR and stuff like that. And we were talking about, you know, the VR space, and I was telling him, yo, I want to get the Oculus, but I want to wait till like the next generation's out, you know, the Oculus 3. And he was like, yeah, it's going to be some time, you know, maybe check out the Oculus 2. It's really, really dope. So I thought, yo, let's go buy Oculus 2. Let's go unbox it. Let's go open it up, see what comes in here. And then let's use it and let's see what it's like, you know, use it for the first time, because I haven't tried Oculus 2. I've tried other VR headsets, but I haven't tried the Oculus. So let's see what this is all about. This is how you open it up here. Wow, whoa. I gotta show you how this here. So open it up like so, okay? And then when I open it, I'm presented with this like, huh. So they hit me with it. They just hit me with it here. So this is what I see here. I see the controller. One controller. I don't even know how to hold this, but I think okay, hold it like that. Okay. All right. I don't know why they have this round thing on here. I guess so, like, if you drop the controller, it won't press a button. I don't know, guys. I'm unboxing this video for the first time, so yeah, I'm just trying to figure this out along the way. This is not like a sponsored video or anything. Like, I literally went to Best Buy and bought this because I'm like, yo, I want to dive down into this VR thing. But got a controller. This is the other controller. Right, left, you know. Here we get the headset. So this is the headset here. This is what it looks like. I will remove all the labeling and all that. What is this? Ooh, just ripped it. This looks like an extra set of goggles. Oh yeah, this is probably the part that goes on your face like this. It'll probably give you an extra set. Here we go. We just open it up like so. This tells you how to move the lenses to get the clearest view. This is one reason why people get dizzy when they're in VR. It's because our eyes see differently. So you need something that you can change the focal length. And then here's the headset like so. I mean, it's nothing much to it, you know. Let's just undo this plastic here. And there's a little bit more plastic on the lens. Wow, those lenses look crazy. They look like you can see something. You can't see it from this angle. I don't know how exactly I'm gonna film this video, because I don't know how I'm gonna film what is inside of here. Maybe I could put the camera up there somehow and let you guys see what I see inside here. But I'm just gonna try it on for the first time, right? I'm just gonna try it on here. Okay, all right. It's really dark in here. I can see some light at the bottom, but I don't think I'm supposed to. Whoa. Wow. This is like putting my hand over my face. Like, it's dark. Cool. Yeah, okay. Okay, I'm kind of eager. I want to try this out. So I'm about to cut this on. What is this here? This here is probably gonna be the charger, which it uses Type-C charger, and this is a Type-C house, so I got a handful of Type-C chargers around here. But yeah, this is the charger and everything. Kind of cool. I like this box. Very, very. It's that whole like Apple packaging. You know, you got an Apple product and it's like all nice, and the box looks really, really cool. It's exactly what this looks like. So I'm gonna try to figure this out, and maybe I'll, like, you know, chop parts of the video out, because there's probably gonna be a lot of the video where I'm just like, wow. But this is like pretty much my first experience like trying the Oculus 2. So yeah, let's just see what this is like. First impressions, holy cow, the screen is massive. I feel like I need to adjust the eyes a little bit. On the edge, it seems like it's a little fuzzy. Like straight in the middle, holy moly, it looks so great. It looks so cool. I'm gonna have to pair these. The first thing I can see on the screen, and it's getting me to pair the headphones. Not the headphones, but it's getting me to pair these things. Here they go. It's telling me to pull this string. I'm not even looking at these, but by just the images on the screen, I'm just gonna pull this. Guys, this is really, really freaking cool. Hold on, I see a little bit of light coming in. You have to like adjust it so like the light won't come. Holy moly. Whoa, I think I know what that other thing is. I'm gonna have to take this off. Wow, this is crazy. Guys, this is insane. Like, I can't really explain what's going on here. Pretty much this is a web browser right here that I'm on. I need to go to about, back to safety. It won't let me sign in. Wow, that's really dark. It's bright in my room, but it's dark. With the headset on. Now, what I really want to watch, there's a lot of things to do, but the first thing I'm more concerned about with doing, also something with the blurriness that I must point out. Oh, this is the left controller. Because I'm connecting with the mobile app now, so I guess this is signing me on to Facebook. This is why some people don't like the Oculus, because you have to have a Facebook account. I am continuing as a new Oculus user. It's creating me an account here. It's going to Facebook info. I'm ready to just jump right into this, yo. Oh no, it's create an Oculus Pin, okay? I'm gonna create one. It's asking for a credit card on file to buy games, so you can just buy games and go. I'm gonna use my PayPal here. Okay, it's creating a boundary. Wow, this is crazy right here. Okay, let me tell y'all what's going on right now, what it's doing. I can basically see through this thing. Like I can see my hand here, right? This is really cool. Guys, let me explain what I'm seeing right now. I am not in California. I am somewhere else. Like, wow, I see the time. Wow, so I look down, and what do I see? I see the time. It's somewhat blurry. Let me set this up. Wow, it's not blurry anymore. It looks so much better. This is crazy because there's like this. Whoa, 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 what the heck? Dude, look at this table over here. There is this insane table, like right here, and it has food on it. And there's like this tropical area over here. There's this like hangout area. This reminds me of like Morocco or somewhere. Let's continue to go through. I can see my battery. I can see explore. I can see store. Let's go to the store. Let's see what happens. Holy cow, yo. I just want to go to a browser here. Let's just go to a web browser. Let's skip the tutorial. We're going to get out of the tutorial because I don't know, it's not making a lot of sense. Okay, we're going to go over to jump into Oculus Essentials, okay? Wow, this is a cool freaking internet browser. Let's go to some websites. Let's go check out a video. This just looks really crazy because like I'm on this website right now, and as I'm on this website, there's a screen in front of me, it's curved, but then I can still see all these things around me, like the beautiful table back there with all the food. This is like, it's almost like we're in this big house, like there's this massive house over there, there's a ceiling fan over here, and the ceiling fan is turning. There's this like, I want to say this is like Spanish style stucco, but the structure looks Spanish, but this out here just looks like it looks like a freaking Utopia, that's what it looks like. Okay, let's go, let's watch the video. The controller is really easy to use when you're talking about pointing, right? Okay, let's go watch another video. Let's go to YouTube. It's the video I just got done watching. It's a video that was, I didn't really react to it too much, but let me just tell you guys, the video I just got done watching was so incredibly real-like. If you know me very well, you probably know what that was, but that video was just insane. It felt so real. It felt like I was right here next to someone. Like, that's what it felt like. Yeah, there's a lot of VR videos. Let's watch this one, this roller coaster VR video. Here's one. Okay, this is in 2D or this is in, okay, VR 180. Whoa. Whoa. Holy cow. I'm on a roller coaster right now, guys. We going down. Wow. I guess I don't need the controller, right? We're going up this roller coaster. It's really big. Okay, we're at the top of the roller coaster, and this thing is about to dip. All right, okay, I'm about to freak out. Woo. Whoa, we on a roller coaster. Talking because I'm not in the same place where you guys are watching me. Like, I'm somewhere else, but it looks like I'm just sitting here on the bed. I am sitting here on the bed. I know I'm sitting here on the bed, but actually I'm doing something else. It will play a sound when the update is complete. Okay, so it looks like it's at about 4% downloaded, and I know that my internet is like not the fastest. So I'm gonna take the headset off and we're gonna let this download. I guess it's gonna make some noise when it's complete, and then we will put the headset back on. One thing to point out about the headset, I guess I can take it off now. The headset feels great. It feels amazing. When I'm looking at text, right? When I'm looking at like text on the screen, the text is somewhat blurry. Some of it is blurry. But when they just showed me that video and there was like no, cause all the text had like white background. When they showed me that video that I just saw that I wish I could share with you guys, I don't know how I'm gonna share. I guess I should probably charge this. When they showed me that video just looked really good. Like, it just looked amazing. I just want to keep watching. But I'm gonna let this charge. Okay, it's at 15% battery, so. No, it's at 15% charge, so we'll let that charge for a minute, and yeah, we'll be back. But it's really cool how when I have the goggles on, I can actually see these. Like, I can see these. If you don't know that there's cameras around, there's like a camera here, a camera there, a camera here, and a camera there. So there is a way that you could see what this thing sees, but yeah, pretty cool so far. I'm pretty blown away. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and peace out, yo.